Okay, this is, check it out, number 1. We are starting. Okay, what was your value for x that you got?
I got
Yeah.
X equals negative 2?
Yeah.
Y equals 1 and
Z equals 2.
did anybody get that?
The rest of Z.
One student got that. All right.
No homework tonight? What?
Whoa, we better practice. We better have a lot of homework. Okay, here we go. Okay, I told you to choose equations 1 and 2 first, right?
Yes.
Okay, you guys decided we were canceling Z.
Yes.
All right. All right, so to cancel the Z, how do I get these two to cancel? By which one? Good, so equation 2 I'm going to multiply by negative 2. So I'm going to leave 1 the same. So negative x plus y plus 2z equals 7. And then multiplying by 2, equation 2 will be what? 4x. I only hear 2 students. So is it positive 4x?
No.
Negative 4x, okay? And then?
Minus 6y.
Okay,
Minus 2z
good.
equals
Negative 2. Okay, do you guys agree with that, everybody?
yes.
All right. Okay, the elimination method will add, so that will be what?
Negative 5.
Okay. I only hear 1 or 2 students.
Minus
Negative.
5y.
All right.
Equals 5.
Equals 1.
Good.
5.
Okay, so what equation do I call this?
4.
Number 4.
2.
Okay, so we used equations 1 and 2 to cancel the variable z, and that gave us equation 4. Now we're going to use, what 2 equations did I tell you?
2 and 3.
It was
2 and 3.
2 and 3. If you used another one with 3, you're fine. All right, so equations 2 and 3, and we're still canceling z. You can go ahead and write them down and do subtraction also. So do you guys want me to do subtraction, or would you like me to just multiply negative 1?
Yes.
Okay, so let me go ahead and bring equation 2 down, which is 2x plus 3y plus z equals 1. And then I'm going to multiply equation 3 times that by negative 1. So, help me out. 3x. All right. Okay, and I'm going to double check that, make sure all of our signs are opposite. So, positive 3x, positive 4y, negative z, and negative 4. Yes, they are all opposites. Okay, add those together. We have 5x plus 7y. Z's cancel. Good. And this is equation number 5. Okay, so we'll bring equation 4 and 5 together. Oops. Okay. So I'm going to relabel them just to show my work. You don't have to rewrite them like this. Okay, so equation 4, equation 5 is 5x plus 7y equals negative 3. I really like how we already have opposites there. So we don't have to multiply anything through. We're just ready to add to cancel our x's. So what do I get here?
2y
Equals 2, and then divided by 2. So we have y equals 1. Is that what we said up there? Let's see, up the top. Whoa, that's a lot of work. Y equals 1. Okay, so once you have your first variable, how come you cannot substitute them back into one of the original equations? Good, we only have one, solve for, and there's 3 variables. So that's why we can choose 4 or 5 here, right? Because there's 2 variables, so plug it into one of those. And it doesn't matter which one, so I know which one you're going to pick.
5.
Yes, 5, because you see that negative there probably, huh? So we're going to choose equation 5 to substitute 1 in for y. So we have 5x plus, okay, good. All right. So 5x plus 7 equals negative 3.
5x equals negative 10.
Okay, good. And then x is equal to
Negative 2.
negative 2. So now that we have two variables, we can substitute both in for one of the original. Let's go see which one we want.
1.
The first one?
Yeah.
All right, you guys are going to have to read that to me, so we're going to plug it into 1. What was the equation?
Negative x. You can put negative 2.
Okay, just go ahead and give me the equation and I'll substitute.
Plus y
Plus y?
plus 2z equals 7.
Okay, so negative x, so negative parenthesis negative 2 plus 1 plus 2z equals 7. So negative negative 2 is 2 plus 1. I'm doing extra steps here that of course you'll be doing mental math. So 3 plus 2z equals 7. Subtract 3, 2z equals,
4.
and then divide by 2, z equals 2. Okay, so we have our x, y, and z. Let's go ahead and write those as a three-dimensional point. So x is negative 2, y is 1, and z is 2. There it is, the point where the three planes come into contact. There it is.